Greetings. This is for the Greater Cincinnati Insurance Association. I'm going to share some ideas as promised that have worked for hundreds of agencies over the last years. You know, if your agency really believes that it's all about really good customer service and really making the customer happy, think about this. If you actually provided flawless customer service, but your client had a loss that didn't have adequate coverage, how important is that flawless customer service? The answer may be obvious, but we really need to become more of a culture of protection, which really means we need to focus on being more of a sales organization. Second key point, everyone needs accountability. And if you're a salesperson, you probably know from experience, while you don't like to be held accountable, you're often more productive if someone's holding you accountable for what you've done. In your agency, I'm going to guess that the owners hold the staff accountable, but as we work with agencies, one of the things we do is help agency owners set goals, and then we hold the owners accountable. We basically hold their feet to the fire. You know, another critically important part of working with a third-party company like Advanced Automation, because we are the expert from out of town, people listen much better to what we share. One of the reasons we've had the success that we have. You know, I learned this principle years ago when I used to work for Hartford Insurance Company as a consultant. I could come into your agency, tell them word for word the same thing that you might have told them, and they listen to me and they may not listen to you. One of the other reasons that your staff will listen to us better because we've worked with over 2,500 agencies over the last 20 years, and bottom line, a lot of those agencies will validate that things that we teach really do work. Third point, it's critically important that the internet become part of your strategic plan. If you're really going to grow your business today, you must include that as part of the way you're going to do business. Today, your prospects and your customers are looking for a way to communicate with you securely through the internet. Look, you probably have a website, and that's great, but does that website really attract and retain customers? And you need to understand about Gen Y. They need a way to communicate with you probably different than you're used to. So what's this all about? Well, I'm offering a free, no-cost webinar coming up about 55 minutes that's really going to explain what Advanced Automation is all about, what we do, and what you're going to learn is it's a whole lot more than just really cool-looking websites. You know, understand that over 2,500 agencies from very small to very large with multiple locations have already worked with us over the years. Now, certainly my goal of doing this is I want to help you realize that you can't live without us and you'd like to partner with Advanced Automation, but I'm going to be sharing some proven ideas and some secrets that will benefit you immediately if you'll just take them and use them. Again, there's no cost for the webinar, but it's coming up Thursday the 28th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. You'll need to click on the link contained here to register. Also contained in here are some success stories from other agencies just like you, many of which who were nervous about the economy but decided they couldn't afford not to get some help from somebody, especially a company that's had the success in helping so many other agencies increase revenue and reduce stress. Please contact me if you have questions. We would love to have you check out the success stories and please attend this webinar. But if I can help you in any way, feel free to contact me.